Alright, this is Masada. In Mpc3, you can sample directly to a pad without having to go into the sampling screen. Now, I'm going to show you. Now, first, we're going to go into the sampling screen because you're going to have to set this up. You need to do this only the first time. You want to make sure that your threshold is set, and you're going to want to make sure that your monitor in is pressed. Now, you want to select the behavior of your pads. You either use pad hold, that's where you hold your finger for the duration of the sample pad press, or you're going to press pad tap. Well, basically, it works as lazy chop. So as the sample progresses, you hit the pads, and that's going to give you your individual slices. Once you're done, it's going to result in an NDC file, meaning just one long file. And so I'm going to demonstrate that for you using my new album, Masada Memoirs, Soul Instrumentals, coming soon. Now, what you're going to want to do is press the record button here. Now, notice, MPC is going to show you in the main screen like the pad you're recording to currently. It's pretty cool. Okay. Alright. Once you're done, you just press stop. Notice is that now we have it all one long audio form. So you no longer have to go into sampler to sample. You can just sample right from the main screen directly to a pad. That's dope.